Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this summer top combo on Dress to Impress. So I am going to be wearing this top here. We'll sort the pattern and the colors later. Then I am going to get this top, this dress in the top only and no sleeves. Again, I'm just going to color it later on. And then I'm also going to get this top here. Wait, where is it? Oh. In the fourth toggle, yeah. Then here I'm just going to find a pattern that I really like. Make sure, I know it's like a summery pattern. I'm just going to do a floral pattern, like at this point. Maybe add like some silk material. So here I'm just going to adjust it to the rest of the fit. I am going to kind of color this like a different color like that. And then here I'm going to go back to like the pattern section, color that the same. Let's do default. I'm just going to color it the same as the rest like this. And then you can stop there, but you can also add like this. If you have VIP, you don't need to add it. It isn't super necessary. And to be honest, I quite like it without the VIP, what's it called, top anyways. Let me find like another summery hair to go along with it. Let's do this one. I mean, it does kind of cover the hair a little bit. What about this in like half front and no flowers? Sorry. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can create this cute summer top on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!